Hi guys, so today I'll be making a full 360 lace front wig with DYHAIR777. So of course they sent me the Cambodian deep wave hair in a 20, 22, actually 18, 20, and 22 inches. And of course it comes with some nice little eyelashes. So of course first we're going to bleach the knots. So now I'm customizing the hairline by tweezing it. I do like to start behind the hairline, and you will be able to see my progression as I go. So this is the wig cap I'm going to use. I will put a link to this cap in the description box. You want to start off by placing the frontal on the very edge, like kind of around the perimeter. I did try on this frontal though before I put it on this wig, and it fit perfectly. You want to go ahead and sew it down first, and if the frontal is too big, I suggest just cutting it in the back and then fitting it to your head. But honestly, if it's too small, I just don't think it will work out for you. You might just want to go with a regular frontal. So this is what I mean in my other videos by doubling the tracks. I'm literally just not doing the single weft. I'm doubling it at first, and I will do this with the first 2 bundles, and then the very last bundle I will just do the single track. I get comments about actually showing the middle of me sewing a little more in depth, so here you go. So now that everything is done being sewn, you want to go ahead and take the wig off and just cut the piece of the cap where the actual frontal is. Now I'm showing you guys the elastic band and also where I will be placing the clips in the bottom. So I'm trying it on here to see exactly where I need to place the clips for the perfect fit. I decided to have 2 at the bottom and 2 on the sides of each side of the frontal. And now I'm cutting the back and the sides of the frontal, but I'm leaving the lace at the front on. So you want to try the wig on again before you cut the front, and then you cut the front of the lace after the wig is actually on your head. And of course I'm cutting the baby hairs. I would normally use a razor, but yeah, I couldn't find mine. So we're just using the scissors and making it work.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low?
know, but let me prove to you that it's glueless.
I won't let